How'd I get here? VDUB, what do we got here?
We got our scary Halloween box.
Yeah, our monster in a box. As promised, we told you we were going to show you this one too. We built this last year out of a piece of old furniture that we found out by the side of the road.
And take a look at that.
Ooh, look at this guy. Ow! Ow! He has some sharp teeth, razor sharp. Okay.
I thought it closed on you.
It almost did. Oh, I thought I lost a finger there for a minute. But it's still here. Good as new. Okay. We're going to show you guys how we made this monster in a box. There's a plane flying over. He's trying to get a quick glimpse. Good thing we have a roof. Alright, so are you guys ready to check out how we made this awesome monster in a box? And there's a special treat at the end, some extras that we've added to this thing to make it really exciting.
Yeah!
Alright, let's get right to it. As we lift our antique box that we found on the side of the road that someone was throwing away, look at what we've got inside.
So, we found a monkey at the toy store, and we used a screw and a bolt to keep him hanging. And we took a mouth out of our toy dinosaur, and we stuck it in his little mouth.
Yep, he went from cute and happy to mean and scary just with one set of teeth.
And we have lights down here, so since we have the washers, so the lights will reflect off the washers. And I put some mean eyebrows with a marker. We got the LEDs out of one of these skulls that we picked out at the dollar store. You may recognize these LEDs from our last video.
This one happens to have color changing LEDs, which really gives a cool effect in the dark.
Just like our last video, we used the rotisserie motor.
That goes around nice and slow, gives it that creepy feeling. This time we used a T-piece instead of just a straight board, and it got us that slow rotation that we were looking for. And once we close our box, it rests right on that rod and comes up very slowly. Look out!
My God!
We promised you one extra thing that we added for extra creepiness. Can anybody guess what it might be? Because this really makes it look spooky out in the front yard. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow. It's pretty cool.
So the monster is in a box of fog. Ooh, yeah. This looks so scary out in our front yard. Some kids don't even want to come to the front door. We love it. We have to think of a name for this guy. Any ideas? Comment down below. Look out! That's our monster in a box. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep bringing great videos to you. Anything you need to say before we sign off?
I don't want it.
You want to just keep this video going for hours and hours?
Pretty long, yeah.
Well, people will be too scared to watch more than a couple of seconds.
Hand me the remote.
Super fog. What is that monster doing in there? He must have some bad gas. Ooh, yuck.
The last thing we added was a strobe light from the dollar store. watching our video. VDUB, Monkey Boy, and Daddy-O signing out.